Yeah, if you are going to be heading to the beach, at least for tomorrow and going into Thursday, just keep in mind that because of that churned up water from what was Hurricane Beryl, that rip current risk is in the high category for tomorrow and Wednesday. But I think even if the rip current risk was low, look at those rain chances up near 80% for tomorrow, 70% on Wednesday. So just not an ideal time to go to the beach, but those conditions will be improving as we get into the second half of this week. Here in Hoover, we have partly cloudy skies, a temperature of 91 degrees. It's very warm. That dew point value is highest that it's been in a long time, nearly 80 degrees. So it is just very tropical-like air that we have out there across the region this afternoon. And that's why we've got a lot of these kind of puffy cumulus clouds that are starting to bubble up right now, and we even have a couple of pop-up showers and maybe a rubble of thunder or two that are going to be moving into southern portions of Bibb County here in the next 5 or 10 minutes, and we're going to see more of this developing across the rest of the region as we go into the afternoon. It's because of a lot of this moisture being pulled to the north from being on the eastern side of what is now Tropical Storm Beryl, just pushing northwest of the Houston metro. So keeping a lot of the cloud covered well to our west across Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. But over here, we're going to be seeing at least partly cloudy skies for the rest of this afternoon, and definitely enough sunshine to help keep temperatures warming into the middle 90s. Right now, we're at 91 in Birmingham, 92 in Tuscaloosa, 95 in Moundville, Jasper, and Fayette. So a little bit warmer in western Alabama, and it also feels like 100 in Birmingham right now, 106 in Talladega, and as well for Jasper. So we're going to see these temperatures warm a few more degrees over the next few hours, and that's going to warrant this heat advisory that's in effect until 9 o'clock this evening across most of the region, and that's because of heat index values forecast to get as hot as maybe 110 degrees for a few of you later on this afternoon. So a temperature of 92 by 3 o'clock, starting to fall into those upper 80s by 5 and 7 o'clock this evening, but we are tracking some storm chances just about area-wide heading into the next few hours. We'll see this pick up in coverage by around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, and outside of those storms, remember the biggest risk will be the heat today, but if you are under couple of these showers and storms, temperatures will provide at least a little bit of relief, falling into the maybe 70s and 80s if you're lucky enough. And as always, a few of you will be able to get maybe an inch or two of rain from some of these showers and storms, but the majority of us are going to just see some of those hit and miss kind of downpours for a few hours this afternoon. Now, Tropical Storm Beryl, the 12 p.m. update coming in with a 65-mile-per-hour, pretty strong and mature tropical storm. Look at all the rain bands that are here on the northeastern quadrant of the system, and that is going to really spread a lot of the rain well to our west going throughout the next couple of days. Notice that it weakens to a tropical depression by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, so it does weaken considerably with the wind, but of course those rain chances are going to be coming up as we see an increase in the moisture, at least here in central Alabama heading into midweek. So right now we have this area of high pressure that is dominating our weather here, keeping us hot this afternoon, but notice as Tropical Storm Beryl weakens into a just area of low pressure, it's going to bring a cold front with it, and that will help usher in some drier air, less humid air, and some cooler temperatures going into the middle of this week. But already by the upcoming weekend, we're going to see a return to some strong ridging of high pressure as we see those heights beginning to increase, and that's going to increase our temperatures. But with that cold front coming in, it is going to shut the rain chances down going into Thursday and Friday. Temperatures cooling off with it, but then warming back into those middle and upper 90s by the end of this week. So again, rain in the forecast through Wednesday, but shutting down the rain chances heading into the end of this week. Temperatures back there around 97 degrees for Saturday and Sunday.